Hello, in this video, I go over step 3 in depth of the onboarding process, which is complete office profile and select proposal template. So to get to your office profile, we're going to go to our cogwheel up top, go to office settings, and we're going to edit our office. Now, from here, we can add our office name, our job number format, and it gives a little description here. Your bid number format, if you would like it different from your job number format. Your default tax percentage for the location you're in. From here, you can also set a default admin approval for bids over a certain dollar amount. And what that does is it will make it so if a sales guy has a bid over a certain amount of money, the executive will need to approve it, overlook it, and approve it. From here, we can add our office logo, and then we'll give us our logo preview here. The office address. Now, if you just have one office, this will normally be the same as your company address, since you have one location, and then you can add your office phone number, your email, and a website for this office if it is different than your company. And from here, you can choose your proposal templates. Now we have a few options to choose from here. And once you're done with that, click save. And then we can come back up to the top and we have a few more steps to do. So from here, we can start our sequences. So our opportunity, the next number will be number 1. Bid number will be number 1. Job number will also be number 1. Now you can adjust these if you happen to make some opportunities that you end up making inactive. So that way there's not a gap in numbers. You continue to have sequential. Now from here we can get to our proposal text. Now we can come in here, make sure that all of our verbiage is correct. If we don't like it, we can get rid of it. If you like it, you can keep it. You can also add placeholders for information, for autofilling information. And we can view our preface here. Make sure you come in and change this because this is the default setting as it is. And your terms and conditions. So I'd recommend coming through each and every item here and making sure that it is something that you agree with. If not, then you can adjust it and update it. And from here, you have your confirmation sheet details. You can edit these if you'd like. If you don't do concrete work, you can get rid of these and create your own. And you can have a drop down, which would be yes or no, and then it will also have you specify. Or if it's just specify, then there will be something you can specify. So for special start time, you can specify and say start at 8 o'clock. And from here, you can also connect to QuickBooks Online. Now, a quick reminder to make sure as soon as you're done on each page to come down to the bottom and click save once you are done.